we have already discussed in detail about binomial distribution. Okay. Now we summarize the results in binomial distribution. Okay. That is, if x follows b and p, f of x equal to n cx p raised to x q raised to n minus x takes value 0, 1, etc. to n, 0 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1, q equal to 1 minus p, x is defined as the number of successes out of n, isn't it? X is defined as the number of successes out of n. P is the probability of a success for a single trial. Q equal to 1 minus P, which is the probability of a failure. Also, we get the result. If x follows b and p, y equal to n minus x, which represents the number of failures out of n, follows binomial distribution with the parameters n and q. Now, mean equal to mu1 dash equal to np, variance equal to mu2 equal to npq for binomial distribution. So that we get mean greater than variance for binomial distribution. Okay. Now, the moment generating function of x is derived as mtx, which is expectation of e raised to tx. So, equal to, for binomial distribution, the function is q plus p e raised to t whole raised to n. Q plus p e raised to t whole raised to n. Now, we may obtain the additive property of binomial distribution, which states if x and y are two independent binomial variates with parameters n1p and n2p respectively, x plus y follows binomial with parameters n1 plus n2 and p. The result can be extended to any number of variables. Okay. Now we obtain the mode of binomial distribution. If x is the mode, we have n plus 1 into p minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to n plus 1 into p. So that if n plus 1 into p is not an integer, the distribution has a unique mode given by integer part of n plus 1 into p. On the other hand, if n plus 1 into p is an integer, the distribution is bimodal and modes being n plus 1 into p minus 1 and n plus 1 into p. Okay. Now, we have the recurrence relation for the row moments of binomial distribution. The result is mu r plus 1 dash equal to np mu r dash plus pq into d by dp of mu r dash. We have the following results. Mu naught dash equal to 1, which is expectation of x raised to 0. Mu for any distribution, mu naught dash equal to 1. Mu 1 dash equal to np. Mu 2 dash equal to n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Mu 3 dash equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 pq plus 3n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Mu 4 dash equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 p raised to 4 plus 6 n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 p cube plus 7 n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Okay. Now we derive the recurrence relation between central moments for binomial distribution, which is known as Rinowski formula. Okay, Rinowski formula. Rinowski formula. That is mu r plus 1 equal to pq into as a whole nr mu r minus 1 plus d by dp of mu r pq into nr mu r minus 1 plus d by dp of mu r. We have mu naught equal to 1 and mu 1 equal to 0 for any distribution. For binomial distribution, mu 2 equal to npq, mu 3 equal to npq into q minus p, mu 4 equal to npq into 3 npq plus 1 minus 6pq. Okay. Now measure of skewness beta 1 equal to mu 3 square by mu 2. Okay. So for binomial distribution, for beta 1 equal to q minus p whole square by npq and gamma 1 equal to root beta 1. Okay. Equal to q minus p by root of npq. Binomial distribution is symmetric for all n if p equal to q equal to 1 by 2. Okay. For small n, p less than 1 by 2 implies gamma 1 greater than 0. That is, binomial distribution is positively skewed if p less than 1 by 2. Now, p greater than 1 by 2 implies gamma 1 less than 0. That is, binomial distribution is negatively skewed if p greater than 1 by 2. Now, measure of kurtosis beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square implies beta 2 equal to 3 plus 1 minus 6pq by npq for binomial distribution. For large n, beta 1 tends to 0 and beta 2 tends to 3. That is, binomial distribution is symmetric and mesokurtic for large n. That is, binomial distribution tends to normal distribution as n tends to infinity. Very important point. Binomial distribution tends to normal distribution as n tends to infinity. Now we consider the fitting of binomial distribution. That is, we can obtain the theoretical frequencies for a given frequency distribution, the formula being EI equal to capital N into f of x. We have f of 0 equal to q raised to n and f of n equal to p raised to n. Okay. The recurrent relation for the probabilities of binomial distribution is f of x plus 1 equal to n minus x by x plus 1 into p by q into f of x. So that if we have f of 0, we can obtain the other probabilities by this recurrence relation, and we can obtain the theoretical or expected frequencies by the formula EI equal to capital N into f of x, and we have to remember sigma EI should be equal to capital N. Okay. Now we have the result if x and y are two independent binomial variates with parameters n1p and n2p respectively. The conditional distribution of x given x plus y is hypergeometric distribution. We have to recollect one point. Point binomial distribution, that is binomial distribution with a single trial, is called a Bernoulli distribution. So that for Bernoulli distribution, f of x takes the form f of x equal to p raised to x into q raised to 1 minus x equal to 0 and 1 only. Okay, so that mean equal to mu1 dash equal to p for Bernoulli. Okay, and variance equal to pq, mu2 equal to pq. Okay, and so that standard deviation can be written as root of variance equal to root of pq. Binomial distribution with a single trial is a Bernoulli distribution. So lastly, we conclude the session. If x follows, b and p, the two important constants for binomial distribution are mean equal to np, variance equal to npq. So that standard deviation equal to root of variance of x equal to root of npq, and mean greater than variance for binomial distribution. Okay, thank you.